The number one anti-aging vegetable in the world is not kale, not even spinach, and not broccoli either. It protects your cells from free radical damage, the real driver of wrinkles and premature aging. It improves blood flow, lowers inflammation, and even supports healthy collagen production, helping your skin stay firm and radiant. It also helps lower blood pressure and keeps your brain sharp as you age, protecting memory and focus. This powerhouse green provides minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. The number one anti-aging vegetable is watercress.
So for today's video mga kasisi, ayan, quick soup tayo ng watercress. Dahil sabi nga ni Uncle, marami daw itong benefits sa ating katawan. So ayan po, nilagyan ko lang ng corn, ng fish meat, ng pork, ayan, pakulaan lang. At ayan, season with salt. That's it!